Now children, here your question is, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree. So here let me draw a circle first of all. Let this circle here, in this circle O be the center. Now radius is given 21 centimeter. So this one will also be same, and angle subtended by it is of 60 degree. It is given in a question. Now find the length of the arc. Now length of the arc means we have to find out length of this arc. So for this we have a formula that first one, length of the arc is equals to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Now angle is given, that is of 60 degree. So here I can write 60 upon 360 into 2 into pi value not given. So obviously here I have to put 22 by 7 into radius, that is 21 centimeter. Now 0 0 cut, 6 6 are 36, 7 3 are 21, 3 2 are 6, 2 2 cut. So here you are getting 22 centimeter is a length of the arc. Now next one is, find the area of the sector formed by an arc. So here I have to find out an area of this sector. So here area of the sector, you have a formula that theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Now theta value we are knowing, that is 60 upon 360 into 22 by 7, radius 21 into 21 centimeter square. Now 0 0 cut, 6 6 are 7 3 are 3 2 are 6, 2 11 are, so 21 into 11. When you will multiply this both, so here you will get 231 centimeters square. Now third one, area of the segment formed by this corresponding chord. So here we have to find out area of this segment formed by this corresponding chord. If I join this both, so here I will get a chord, and here I have to find out area enclosed by this chord and an arc, that is a segment. So here area of segment is equals to, I can write area of sector minus area of triangle. Now area of sector, that is here just before we have calculated, that is I guess 231. Yeah, 231 only were there, minus area of this triangle. Now which formula here you will place? Here area of a triangle, you have studied a formula, that is half base into height. Height we can get only when we are having a perpendicular distance. That distance we can get if we have a 90 degree angle, because 90 degree means a perpendicular. So obviously we can find out height of that object. But here 60 given and this angle given 60. These two sides are equal. So obviously when two sides are equal, its opposite angles will also be equal. So if this is a 60, so 180 minus 60, 120. And these two are equal, so these two angles will also be of 60 degrees. So obviously this triangle is an equilateral triangle. So here you have to place a formula, root 3 by 4 a square in 9th standard, in chapter number 12 Heron's formula you have studied. So here my a, here I can write first of all a square, so which is equals to 231 minus root 3 by 4. A square means 21 into 21 centimeter square. Now so 231 minus root 3 upon 4, and 21 into 21, here we will get 441 centimeter square. Now children, you may observe root 3, this value is not given in a question, though we are knowing that root 3 means 1.73, but that is an approximate value. Upon 4, 4 and 4 is a composite number, and 1 is a, this here 1 given, it is a prime number, so both cannot be divisible. So You may observe this further simplification is not possible. So this is a required area of this segment. Hope it is understood to you. Thank you.